The U.S. state of Pennsylvania's highest court has overturned accused serial rapist Bill Cosby's sex assault conviction, and he is to be released. The U.S. court said that it found an agreement with the previous prosecutor prevented Bill Cosby from being charged in the case, and hearing other victims speak out tainted the case. It wasn't until dozens of accusers came forward about their cases and international media put a spotlight on the allegations that prosecutors even agreed to hear the case. Before multiple women came out against Bill Cosby, but he enjoyed decades of impunity and the freedom to terrorize his victims. Dozens of women have publicly accused Bill Cosby of sexual assault and rape, and his conviction in 2018, a result of 10 years of arduous legal battles by his victim, was seen as a victory of the #Me Too movement. Cosby has served more than 2 years at a state prison near Philadelphia. Cosby originally vowed to serve his full 10-year sentence rather than acknowledge any remorse over his crimes, in particular the 2004 incident he was charged for. He was being found guilty of drugging and molesting the Canadian ex-basketball player Andrea Constant in 2004. Constant fought for justice for more than a decade and was forced to endure a civil suit and 2 criminal trials. Mainly due to Cosby's celebrity influence and powerful associates in media and law, it was an uphill battle for victims to speak out and even more succeed in court against the wealthy Cosby. Constant first went to police in 2005, a year after the assault. The Montgomery County prosecutors initially refused to charge Cosby, claiming that there was not enough evidence. Constant then took a civil suit against Cosby in 2006, which was settled for an undisclosed amount. The final criminal trial against Cosby was held in 2018 after dozens of women supported by millions finally pressured authorities to do their jobs. Based on incidents in January 2004, Cosby was found guilty on April 26, 2018, of 3 counts of aggravated indecent assault against Andrea Constant after a jury trial. On September 25, 2018, he was sentenced to a flimsy 3 to 10 years in prison and a $25,000 fine plus court costs of both trials. More than 60 women reported how they had been drugged, raped and assaulted by Bill Cosby over the decades, but only Andrea Constant's story led to criminal charges and Cosby's conviction. She said during an interview in June 2021, "I wanted to share my story, hoping it would inspire others who face challenging circumstances to find the courage to overcome obstacles they may be facing. After the trials, I began to understand just how much damage had been done to my family and me, even after obtaining justice in my case. However, now justice has been denied yet again." According to court papers overturning the convicting, Cosby's convictions and judgment of sentence are vacated, and he is discharged. In their decision, the judges also found that testimony from Cosby's multiple victims and accusers had allegedly tainted the trial. The U.S. state of Pennsylvania's highest court has overturned accused serial rapist Bill Cosby.